Today take you to understand the process of silk screen foaming. The master glued the sides of the mesh board with adhesive paper. Carefully check the printing position of the screen printing plate, whether the mesh is blocked. First, base the print with silicone oil. Make the print hard to break and set the color. Apply the silicone oil base. The silicone oil base is dried and put on the foam. The foam paste is good and dried. The printing paste will follow. Print is air-dried and foamed by pressing machine. The press temperature is 125 to 128 degrees. Pressing time 6 seconds. Printing foaming height is generally about 0.3 to 0.5 degrees centigrade. Prints above this height tend to deform. Please send us an inquiry about your project.